Have you ever stopped for a moment, placed your hand on your chest, and felt that gentle thump? That rhythmic, steady beat has been with you since just 3 weeks after you were conceived, long before you even had a brain. Right now, as you listen to this, your heart is quietly performing the most important job in your entire body, keeping you alive. But how does this small, fist-sized organ do all of that? Today, we're going inside you to explore how your heart works, what it does, why it beats, and what really happens each time it pumps. Your heart is not just a symbol of love, it's a muscular pump made of incredibly strong cardiac muscle that works non-stop, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without resting, ever. It sits right behind your breastbone, slightly tilted to the left. And even though it's only about the size of your fist, it is surprisingly powerful. Every single minute, your heart pumps around 5 liters of blood, which means in just one day it pumps about 2,000 gallons. That's enough to fill a small fire truck. So, how does it manage all of this? Let's zoom in. Inside the heart, there are 4 rooms, also called chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Think of them like a perfectly coordinated assembly line. Blood enters the top chambers, the atria, and leaves from the bottom chambers, the ventricles. The right side of your heart handles oxygen-poor blood, and the left side handles oxygen-rich blood. This separation is extremely important. It makes sure clean and used blood never mix. And the star of the show is the left ventricle, which is the strongest chamber. It generates enough pressure to send blood from your chest all the way to your toes in a fraction of a second. These chambers work in a perfect rhythm, a rhythm created by something inside your heart. Your heartbeat is not random. It's controlled by your heart's own built-in electrical system. At the top of your heart, there's a tiny group of special cells called the SA node, often called the natural pacemaker. These cells send electrical signals that spread through your heart like waves. Each signal tells the heart when to contract. Here's how a heartbeat actually happens. The SA node fires. The atria contract, pushing blood down into the ventricles. The signal reaches the AV node, which delays the impulse for a tiny moment, just long enough for the ventricles to fill. Then the signal travels down the bundle branches and into every muscle fiber. The ventricles contract powerfully, sending blood out to your lungs and the rest of your body. This entire cycle takes less than 1 second. That's your heartbeat, and it repeats again and again, about 100,000 times every single day. Now let's follow a single drop of blood as it travels through your heart. Imagine this drop starting somewhere in your body, let's say your foot. After delivering oxygen to your cells, it becomes used, or oxygen poor, and returns through your veins. Here's the path it takes. Step 1, right atrium. It enters the right atrium, the chamber that collects all the used blood coming back. Step 2, right ventricle. The heart contracts and the drop falls into the right ventricle. Step 3, lungs. The right ventricle pushes it into the pulmonary arteries and sends it to the lungs. There, it picks up oxygen and becomes bright red again. Step 4, left atrium. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart and enters the left atrium. Step 5, left ventricle. The strongest pump, the left ventricle, pushes with enormous pressure to send that blood everywhere. Your brain, your muscles, your organs. Then the cycle repeats. This journey happens so fast that a single red blood cell can travel your entire body in under 1 minute. To make sure blood flows in the correct direction, your heart uses valves, like tiny doors that open and close at just the right moment. There are 4 major valves: tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, aortic valve. When your heart beats, these valves snap open and shut with incredible precision. The classic heartbeat sound, lub-dub, comes from these valves closing. Lub is the sound of the tricuspid and mitral valves closing. DUB is the pulmonary and aortic valves closing. Your heart is literally playing a rhythm that keeps you alive. Your heart is smart. It adjusts itself to what you need. When you're relaxed or sleeping, your heart beats slowly to save energy. When you exercise, get scared, stressed, or excited, your heart speeds up to deliver more oxygen. This is controlled by your nervous system, especially hormones like adrenaline. In a dangerous situation, your heart instantly prepares for action by beating faster and stronger. And when the danger passes, it slows down again. Your heart is constantly responding to your life. Your heart works incredibly hard for you. Taking care of it doesn't have to be complicated. Here are simple things that support a strong heart. Regular movement, even 30 minutes of walking a day, eating fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, avoiding too much salt, getting good sleep, managing stress, drinking enough water, avoiding smoking, keeping a healthy weight. These small habits protect your heart muscle, your blood vessels, and your overall health. Your heart is one of the most remarkable organs in your body. It works from the very first weeks of your life until the very last moment. Never complaining, never stopping. Every beat sends life to every corner of your body. So the next time you feel your heart beat, remember, that tiny rhythm is a beautiful reminder that you are alive, and your heart is working tirelessly for you. This was The Heart Inside You. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe for more calm, clear, and beautiful explorations through the human body.